Hello guys, welcome to Full Stack Project Management System series. In this series, we are going to build a full stack project management system. You can see now we have full backend for our project management system. I have built 1 week ago. You can see it. You can read the README file. This is going to be the project management system. It is going to be full stack. Then it is going to be auth. Then it will have admin section. Then it will have role based system. Users can come and create their accounts, and admins will assign the tasks to the users. The tech stack it used here: Node.js, TypeScript, Express.js, and for the backend we are using MongoDB, and for the token we are going to use JWT token, and the input validation we are going to use ROD. You can use this backend for building. So we are in this series we are focusing on mainly onto the front end. We are going to build a React front end for this backend. So let's clone this backend. Click this code icon, then copy the URL, then open the folder where we want to code. So let's create new folder, PMS full stack. In this folder, I am going to create a new folder. I think I will directly clone it. So let's open terminal here. Open terminal here. Then git clone. Then paste the URL which you have copied from the GitHub. Then it will clone our backend. I will provide the link in the description. You can check it out. Now you can see we have backend folder. It will say PMS backend. So let's close this terminal. Let's rename it as only backend. You can rename it as backend or you can rename it as server. You can prefer whatever you want. Then we are going to create new folder. It is going to be completely front end. Let's use the React White. We are going to create a React project in White. So let's copy the command. Go to folder. Then open terminal and paste and press enter. Now it will ask project name. We are going to name it as front end. Front end, FRONTEND. Okay. Then package name is going to be same front end only. Then it will ask for the framework. We are going to use React. We are going to use TypeScript. No, install. Yep. It will directly install npm. So we don't need to manually install it. It will automatically install. Let's wait for the installation. Now you can see our React app is created and it is run on this port. So let's run it. Let's open new tab, then paste this and search. Now you can see we have basic version of React using white. So on press count, it will increase. Okay. Let's open the code in terminal. So let's open clear. Full stack, okay. Now I opened in VS Code. Now you can see we have two folders, one front end and one back end. Now we are working on only completely on front end. We don't touch backend. We are using this GitHub repo for our backend. You can clone it and use it. Just click the code and copy it and clone it, or you can download the zip folder from here and you can use it. Yeah, after download, you need to unzip is using 7-zip. Then you need to open backend. Then you need to create one for file .env. Next, go to .env.example, copy everything and paste it here. You can use whichever port you want. For our backend, we are going to use 5000. For the MongoDB URL, you need to use URL here. Then JWT secret is going to be any string. It is also okay. You can change anything. You can add any string here. You can add your name also. Let's delete this .env.example. I think we don't need to delete. We are going to push this to the repo also. So let's leave it here. You can read the docs for the clarification for the architecture and the API reference. You can see the API reference which we have for the base URL. We have API. Then for the authentication we have auth. Then to get the users we have API/users. We are going to use base for everything. API, then users to get all users. This access only for the admins. Then we have to get the projects and create the projects. It is also only for the admin only. You can read it. Admin only, admin only, admin only. And tasks. Users can see only tasks which are assigned to them only. And they can update only the status. They can't update the task. They can't delete the task. You guys, you are getting right. You can see it, which will have as access check, access check. You can see it will check whether whether he is the user is admin or user. Then it will accept the access or not accept. You can see the architecture also. We have all the controllers in the controller folders. In the config folder, we have database connections, and in the middlewares we have auth middleware, then authorization. So in the models we have all the models, projects, tasks, and the users. In the roots we have all the roots, auth roots, project roots, and user roots. Then in the types we have auth types we have declared for the verification. So in utils we have some utils which we are using JWT and for hashing password. Then validation we are using Zod, and we are using for the project creation, task creation, and the user sign up and the user login. In the app we are declaring Express, and in the server we are listening to the port. I think you guys all get it. You can see the package.json for the clarification. You can see which we have dependencies and dev dependencies. You can see there. Dev dependencies we have types bcrypt. You can read it. Then we have dependencies bcrypt.js for the hashing password. Then cookies to pass the cookies. Then we have .env, then express, then JSON tokens, then mongoose and Zod. You can read this all, and you can get to know how the backend is. For this video, that's it, guys. In next video, we are going to build a auth flow for our front end. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button.